Today we're counting down the top 5 most reliable used cars under $5,000 in 2024. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the 2004 to 2006 Acura TSX. This model typically comes with a 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, offering a balance of performance and efficiency. It produces around 200 horsepower. The TSX gets around 20 to 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 to 31 miles per gallon on the highway. With its upscale interior featuring leather seats and modern amenities, the TSX offers a luxurious driving experience without the luxury price tag. At number 4, we have the Honda Accord, 2003 to 2008. Available with either a 2.4-liter inline-4 or a 3.0-liter V6 engine, the Accord provides a range of power options. The 4-cylinder models achieve approximately 21 to 24 miles per gallon in the city and 31 to 34 miles per gallon on the highway. The Accord is known for its reliability and spacious interior, making it a practical choice for families on a budget. Plus, it boasts a smooth ride and responsive handling, perfect for daily commuting. Coming in at number 3 is the Toyota Camry 2002 to 2006. The Camry is typically equipped with a 2.4-liter inline-4 engine known for its reliability. It produces around 160 horsepower and delivers around 21 to 24 miles per gallon in the city and 29 to 33 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an efficient choice for daily driving. The Camry's roomy cabin and comfortable seats ensure a pleasant ride for both driver and passengers. At number 2, we have the Honda Civic 2006 to 2011. Known for its fuel efficiency, the Civic is available with a 1.8-liter inline-4 engine, offering around 25 to 26 mpg in the city and 36 to 42 mpg on the highway, depending on the model and transmission. It produces around 140 to 150 horsepower. With its nimble handling and compact size, it's a breeze to navigate through the city streets and tight parking spots. And finally, the number 1 most reliable car under $5,000 is the Toyota Corolla 2003 to 2008. The Corolla is typically equipped with a 1.8-liter inline-4 engine, delivering around 26 to 28 miles per gallon in the city and 35 to 40 miles per gallon on the highway, making it one of the most fuel-efficient choices on our list. It produces around 130 horsepower. Known for its durability and low cost of ownership, the Corolla is a smart choice for anyone looking for a dependable ride. Its impressive fuel economy and spacious trunk make it ideal for long road trips and daily errands. There you have it, the top 5 most reliable cars under $5,000. Happy hunting!